Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will explain what Diagnostic Code 41 means and how to correct when the low bat LED is on. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. This video continues our series on troubleshooting LiftMaster gate operators. Access the diagnostic display on the main control board. Diagnostic Code 41 indicates battery overcurrent. This code is rare. You may notice the low bat LED is on. You may also see reduced operating performance when running off of the battery backup. There are several possible causes: a low battery, a 24-volt system setup with a 12-volt battery, a short in the battery harness, or too much power being supplied from the control board. Before servicing the product, disconnect power to the operator. Resolve the problem by doing the following. Make sure the recommended battery is installed. Refer to the specifications in the installation manual. Replace any failed batteries. Inspect the battery harness for shorts and replace if needed. When you reconnect power and run the gate operator, the diagnostic display will no longer show Code 41 if the problem has been resolved. When you finish servicing an operator, be sure to access the diagnostic code history and clear it. Click the info icon for a video about accessing the diagnostic code history. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. Visit liftmaster.com or the dealer extranet for more helpful information.